Take a ride in the 2017 Transit Connect Wagon. The Ford Transit Connect Wagon is working to fill the niche for business and cargo management for deliveries. This 2010 North American Truck of the Year definitely needs a second look if you are looking for a delivery vehicle with more cargo ability and better mileage than a typical van. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, remote keyless entry, fog lights. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.